Hey everybody, I just wanted to let you know that Scotty Kilmer responded to our video about him. And Scotty is super nice. He said that he doesn't try to make videos about Mercedes to create controversy. He's just being honest, which is awesome because I like that. I think in the future, if I were Scotty, I'd try to differentiate more between older Mercedes and new Mercedes. I went back and I watched some of his videos, and so while I still mostly agree with him, on his video on why not to buy a diesel, we have to remember he's talking about modern diesels, which are pretty damn complicated compared to the Mercedes of the past. However, I think I would like it if in some of his videos he talked about some of the benefits of older diesel engines, which are very efficient and were actually very tough, durable, low maintenance engines. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you, Scotty, for responding, and keep up the good work, man, and we have a lot of fun watching you. And feel free to chime in on this channel if you ever have an opinion.